So this is Martin with Ask.audio. I'm at a booth that I'm really excited about because these guys, Mordax, make a module called Data. And I've been looking at this on the line for months and months and months now, just waiting for this to come out. I mean, in our sister companies, Macro Video and Ask Video, we do a lot of training on how to make music. And we're getting very heavy into Eurorack. So one of the things that's really important for our students is to be able to see the waveforms in an oscilloscope style setting while we're doing the tutorials. So these data modules are exactly what we need. So Taylor's gonna show us what these do. So please take us for a run through of this new amazing data module.
Yeah, so first off, it's a multifunction module. It does have an oscilloscope. It's probably the main function of the thing. So I'll start by showing you that. So yeah, 4-channel oscilloscope. It works just like a bench scope would. You have control over your position and scale, and as well as DC or AC coupling, and you can turn them off individually. There's also a cursor function, so you can actually measure your signals. You can measure your frequency and measure your voltage levels per channel. You also do triggering like you would do on a regular scope. So here I'll be triggering channel 1. And you can see it gives a smoother look. It's not quite tracking as much here.
Right.
That will be helpful when you're looking at audio rate signals and wanting to see them change with the frequency of that.
Very cool.
Also, you can change the time scales and start and stop the oscilloscope, and yeah. We also have a few other visualization programs that help you kind of understand your sound a little bit better. The Spectrum Analyzer will allow you to see your harmonics over the frequency range. This one is actually monitoring another data, playing an oscillator, but that I'll talk about in a second.
Cool.
We also have the spectrograph.
I love spectrographs.
Yeah, so this will allow you to see the same thing that you saw in the last program, but over time. And you can, again, switch between the different channels, as well as run, stop, and clearing the window. It also has a tuner, which, let me actually get this wave to be more stable. So, here we go. I am bad at this. Nervous on the camera. So here we have the tuner. We can change its frequency here.
I love it. So what I'm seeing is that this is a real multifunctional unit. I mean, this isn't just your run-of-the-mill oscilloscope. There's a lot you can do with it. Personally, I don't know why you wouldn't want to have at least 2 of these in your setup, like one running an oscilloscope, a spectrograph, maybe this one that tells you how many BPM you're doing.
Actually output clock, as well as dividing and offsetting your clock, so you can get things synced up. You can do ratcheting, like you can take that hi-hat and really move it around. Yeah, and so it actually does process and generate signals as well.
So you can use this as a sound source?
Yes. So actually, it has a dual digital oscillator in it as well. All CV controllable. I can show you that here. It's on the data here on the right. So I'll turn the CV back on here. You can actually route any of these inputs to any of the parameters here. So the frequency or the basically the digital voltage control amplifier. So I'll turn it back on. The sequencer 1 is actually now going to be controlling it. So I'll turn that up so you can actually hear the oscillator. And yeah, you have your normal shapes: sine, square, triangle. What did I forget there? Sawtooth. Yeah.
I love it. I mean, we're going to be buying these for all of our trainers. You know, we need this for the rack so they can show what's going on. So the big question for me is, how much?
$395.
Can you say that again?
$395.
Are you sure that shouldn't be more expensive?
It might should be. I don't know, but
Nah, just kidding. $395 is great. And when are these available on the market?
we just recently sold out of our pre-order. We will have hopefully a second run starting. I'm hoping in spring, maybe early summer.
Well, I sure hope we can get in those second runs because that's an amazing unit and I want them. So thanks a lot for your time.
Yeah. Cheers. Yeah.